Hi y'all, Mary Blair here, naturalist with Iowa County Conservation, and I want to go over a little bit with you what you have in your Nature Explorers take-home kit. Now this is a really neat kit because it gives you lots of tools to use as you're exploring out in nature. So your kit should have came in one of these blue drawstring bags. This will help you carry all of those things and hold them really well as you're exploring outside. So what do you have in your kit? Well, you have all kinds of neat guides to help you identify plants and animals when you're out and about. The first one we have is this trees guide right here. This is a pocket guide that is laminated, and if you fold it out, you can see all different kinds of tree types. So you can identify trees by looking at the leaves that they have, either flat deciduous leaves that are soft and that fall in the autumn time, or pine needles that stay on, like this one in the front, and they have cones. Those deciduous trees, though, from those leaves and those trees have things like nuts and berries and seeds. So you can identify those with this. Another neat guide that you have is one that will help you identify birds. And so this is the Peterson's Pocket Field Guide. Inside this, we have different kinds of birds that you might see all over Iowa here and in North America, with lots of great information about them. Then we also have an amphibian and reptile guide, so helping you identify those frogs and turtles and snakes and toads and salamanders, again with great pictures and information about them. Oh, this one is really great. This little golden guide that helps you identify pond life. So everything that lives in and around the pond, including plants, insects, reptiles, amphibians, and birds. Great pictures and great information in there. So those are our field guides that you have to help you identify some of those plants and animals when you're out and about and you see them and you wonder, what are they? But there's some other tools that we have here that will help you see things that are far away, and that is a pair of binoculars like this. They should have came in a little case like this that will help protect them, and have a cleaning cloth on them too, so you can kind of clean off those lenses. So when you're using your binoculars, good thing to do is make sure that you put them around your neck like this to hold on to them. And you always want to look through the binoculars through this darker end here that has the flexible, that's where you look through. And then this center dial right here will help you zoom in and out, because everyone's vision is different. So you're going to look through and then adjust that dial right here so you can see things clearly from afar away, like birds. So you have your binoculars. You also have a couple other magnifiers. So you have a little magnifying glass to look at things that are very tiny close up. This also has a little hole right here, so you can put a string and put that around your neck if you would like. And then we have a little bug jar. So in your bug jar, you have a fake spider. However, you can take that out, and on top there's a magnifier, 2 of them in fact, so you can look at things really close. But if you want to temporarily catch things and scoop them up and then look at them through the magnifier for a little while to see all the parts, you can do that. We also have one other tool that can be used either to magnify things with a magnifying glass, or you can also use them as a little mini pair of binoculars that's easy to go around. So you want to look through the small holes and the big ones, just like with your other pair of binoculars. You zoom in and out with this dial right here. And then there's a compass here that you can learn how to use and find your direction, your way around. 2 more tools we have here. So we're identifying plants, we're looking at things really closely, and we're doing that and we're making observations when we're doing that. So if you want to document and be a scientist on what you're finding outside and when you're exploring, we have a little mini nature journal here. It's blank, there's lots of pages, as well as a pack of colored pencils here so you can draw pictures, write down the names, anything you see and experience when you are exploring outside. One other little tool, actually a big tool that you have, is this net, and this is good for taking things out of the water for a little bit. You could even use your little jar right here, put a little water in, and temporarily look at little critters or plants that live in the water. Now, when you're making observations, remember that you're using your eyes and your ears. You might use your fingers for touch, your nose for smelling, and writing those down in your nature journal, whatever interests you that is out in nature, boys and girls. So I hope you enjoy your Nature Explorers Summer Camp Take-Home Kit. And all of these kits this summer are made possible by our foundation, Friends of Iowa County Conservation. There's a little flyer right here that tells a little bit about the Friends of Iowa County Conservation with some contact information in case you want to send them a thank you. So thanks very much, boys and girls, for watching. I hope you have fun exploring and making observations with your Summer Camp Nature Explorers Take-Home Kit. See you later. Bye-bye.